To determine if you have an INL or an INL clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it is present, you have an INL clone arm. If it is missing, you have an INL arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Quantum Elite wiper blade on an INL arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the tab on the wiper arm into the slot located on top of the adapter. Rotate the blade down onto the wiper arm, press into place until it locks with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the yellow sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your blades. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on your wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Quantum Elite.